45 minutes past 9, and I have some two wonderful people here to tell us about an even more wonderful initiative. I have got friends from Unibank and have another from Operation Smile Ghana. Dr. Kwame Darko is a senior specialist plastic surgeon at the National Reconstructive Plastic Surgery and Burns Center at Korle Bu. And Nana Ama Ofori Amankwa is the head of marketing at Unibank. Welcome to the Super Morning Show.
Thank you very much.
So Operation Smile and this Unibank partnership is to help fix cleft lip for people around the country. What, first of all, is a cleft lip?
Okay, I think that's my question. Okay, I'd first want to say good morning to you and your listeners. Cleft lip is basically a birth defect in which you have a space in your upper lip, and sometimes this extends to the palate, like that's where your tongue rubs against the top of your mouth. Sometimes you may have one or the other, and sometimes you may have both. So that's basically what it is.
Okay. And so what is Operation Smile aiming to achieve?
Operation Smile is aiming to make every child with cleft lip or palate smile just like the way we do.
Okay.
Like anybody without a cleft lip or palate. So basically they mobilize surgeons, they mobilize nurses, they mobilize nutritionists, all forms of people who would be of use in the management of someone with cleft lip and palate to help to get them repaired all over the world.
And this, of course, is something that costs money. And Unibank is a bank that, explains. But, I mean, you could have chosen several different interventions. Why did you partner with Operation Smile for this specific project?
Thank you, Inshira, and good morning again to your lovely listeners. When Operation Smile approached us with their request, we looked at so many things. Number one, it was in sync with our CSR, one of our CSR tenets, which is health. And Operation Smile in itself was a well-organized institution. They operate in over 60 countries. They had done about 220 surgeries worldwide.
Wow.
And in Ghana, they've been here for the past 5 years. And they had done like 700 surgeries. And it is a volunteer organization. And all the monies that came for our 700 surgeries for Ghanaians was from international donors. And we, as a bank, we're a local bank. The profits we've made from local people. And our CSR is also on health. And so we looked at it and we said, what can we do for our own mothers, our fathers, our children, and our friends? And that is what informed why we decided to partner Operation Smile in this mission. And our partnership, we gave out $36,000. A cost of direct surgery was $245 per patient. And so when we asked the number of people that were going to operate upon, averagely they do like 100, 120. This time around they said they were going to do about 150. And so we calculated and then we got them $36,000. And the mission that just happened in Ho in March, we had 154 successful surgeries.
That's fantastic to learn. I mean, Unibank has been very serious with your CSR, so corporate social responsibility. Yes. Have you done any health apart from the Operation Smile partnership?
Yes, we've done quite a lot on health. I mean, if you recall, we refurbished the Korle Bu maternity ward, second floor, entire 2.4 million CDs. You know, European standards now, if you should go there right now. We also we have the annual blood donation that we do annually as corporate for us. We have provided the Nima Clinic with a record center. And we took a 3-year-old hole in heart patient with the mother to Egypt and back for surgery. Okay. So these are some of the things that we do concerning health. You know, if I want to list it, it will go on and on and on.
I can imagine. So, Dr. Darko, your day job is a senior specialist plastic surgeon at Korle Bu, the National Reconstructive and Plastic Surgery and Burns Unit.
Yes, that's right.
But this is Operation Smile is actually volunteer work.
Yes,
why did you feel it necessary to do this?
Well, Operation Smile organizes cleft lip and palate surgeries for people all over the world, and they've come into Ghana. They've mobilized a whole array of medical staff to come and take care of our people for free. So how much more you who on a regular basis take care of this in your regular day job, as you call it. And I thought it was a good idea to join them, to go into the districts, go into the regions, and volunteer my time and my services to a noble cause.
That's fantastic. I mean, you're also volunteering and adding your skill and time to increase the number of over 220,000 people who have been touched by Operation Smile. Will Unibank continue with this intervention maybe for another 50 years?
As long as God gives us strength and we make profit, we are bound, to give back to society. And quite apart from putting smiles on people's faces, Operation Smile in itself also helps to educate. And so there's a transfer of knowledge. This particular mission, there were about 80 medical professionals from 10 different countries. So you migrate best practices, and we're trying to also get, as in Operation Smile is trying to get local capacities such that you just don't have to wait for international missions, but locally you can organize 20 people. Yes, we can have progressive
stuff. Okay.
And it is good to have Corporate Ghana on board such a beautiful thing, because some of the kids are actually marginalized. The stigmatization, people are killed because they think that they are river gods, that they are sent by river gods and all those things. So the stigmatization, we need awareness, and it's a huge task, and we pray to God for profit. We pray to God for health so that we can also impact society.
I am confident you will get all of those and more. Thank you so much, Nana Malfare Amankwa, Head of Marketing at Unibank, and Dr. Kwame Darko, Senior Specialist, Plastic Surgeon and at the National Reconstructive Plastic Surgery and Burn Center at Korle Bu. God bless you both.
Thank you very much.
And it's really wonderful having you in the studio. Folks, you can support this by supporting Unibank and Operation Smile. We'll be right